Good day, my wonderful people. How na day? It's a girl Kenki MTTV. Okay, this one is very simple. This airdrop I'm about to do is very simple, very, very simple. So just let's do it together. Let's do it together. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Just continue supporting me by sharing. Sharing, guys, sharing is most important thing. Continue sharing, share. Thank you so much, guys. So you see how I turn the front. So we're gonna take that hand to the second place. So you see how I did it. I'm going to suck that remaining small hand inside. I've suck it. Then we started. After stuck it, we started twisted it. Yeah. I'm trying to adjust that place. Very, very simple, and it's looking beautiful at the end. It's looking beautiful. So that's how we're gonna take it to the back. Yeah. Very simple. It's easy to grab. Yeah. Hi. We're going to take that hand to the back. You see. Then continue to stir the remaining. So we're going to place it on top. So I later use pin to pin that up now so that up will stand normal. Guys, see now. See, just look at it, how beautiful it is. Then look at the back. Let me show you the back. Show the back. Guys, see how beautiful it is. Love you all. See you in my next video.